I asked AI to find my tax savings. Here's what it found. I want to show you something I actually did this tax season. I sat down with an AI and asked it to go through my financial situation and find every possible tax deduction and saving I might be missing. And what it found genuinely surprised me. Not because the strategies were obscure or complicated, but because they were hiding in plain sight, and I had been ignoring them for years. Welcome to Fuel Your Wealth. Today I am going to walk you through exactly what AI uncovered, how you can do the same thing, and which findings were actually worth acting on. First, let me be clear about what AI can and cannot do here. AI cannot file your taxes. It cannot access your accounts. It is not a licensed CPA, and nothing it tells you should replace professional tax advice. But what it can do remarkably well is ask you the right questions, surface strategies you have never heard of, and help you think through your situation in a structured way that a quick Google search never could. Here's how I did it. I opened a conversation with an AI and gave it a clear picture of my financial situation. My income type, whether I work from home, whether I have any side income, whether I own a home, whether I have children, whether I contribute to retirement accounts, just a clear written summary. Then I asked, what tax deductions or strategies might I be missing based on this situation? Here's what came back. The home office deduction. I work from home part of the time and had never claimed this. The AI explained that if you use a portion of your home regularly and exclusively for work, even as a side business, you could potentially deduct a percentage of your rent or mortgage interest, utilities, and internet. The IRS has a simplified method that lets you deduct $5 per square foot of your dedicated workspace, up to 300 square feet. That is up to $1,500 I had been leaving on the table every year. Business expenses buried in everyday spending. If you have any self-employment income, freelance work, a side hustle, a small business, the AI pointed out categories of deductions I was not tracking carefully. Software subscriptions, professional development courses, a portion of my phone bill, equipment, and even this content I create. Every legitimate business expense reduces your self-employment income dollar for dollar. The student loan interest deduction. If you are paying student loans, you could potentially deduct up to $2,500 of interest paid, even if you do not itemize. The AI flagged that many people forget about this entirely because it does not require itemizing. Retirement contributions you can still make. Here is one of the most underused tax moves. If you have self-employment income, you can open and contribute to a CPIRA for the prior tax year all the way up to the filing deadline, including extensions. In 2026, that means you could potentially still reduce your 2025 taxable income significantly if you act before the deadline. The energy efficiency credits. If you made any energy efficient improvements to your home in the past year, new windows, insulation, a heat pump, an electric vehicle, there are federal tax credits that many people completely miss. Credits, not deductions, meaning they reduce your actual tax bill dollar for dollar. Now here's the part that matters most. After AI surfaced all of these, I still needed to verify each one with a CPA before acting on it. AI gave me the map. A professional helped me navigate it. That combination, AI doing the broad research and a human expert verifying the specifics, is genuinely powerful. If you want to do this yourself, here is the prompt I would recommend. Open any major AI and type something like, I want to find every tax deduction I might be missing. Here's my situation. And then describe your income sources, living situation, work setup, investments, and any major purchases from the past year. The more specific you are, the more useful the output will be. Tax season is not just a deadline. For prepared people, it is an opportunity to recover money you already earned. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fuel Your Wealth for more videos like this every week. This is not financial or tax advice. Always consult a qualified tax professional for your specific situation.